Groceries are delivered. I'm going to double check to make sure all the orders here. So we have, this one is salmon. So, where is it? Salmon, check. We got German breakfast, check. And we got 100% grass-fed beef. We got butter lettuce, 2 tomatoes, a potato, 3 bananas, tomato basil, pasta sauce, tikka masala. I'm really excited to try this because I've never tried this before. I also wanted to try a vegan mac and cheese, and this is the brand we went with. It says it's plant-based, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free. So I'm guessing that's vegan, right? It says plant-based. 430 calories. Very excited. I got coconut rolls. I'm not a snacker, but I heard this is really good, so I can't wait to try it. Lastly, this is almond flour grain-free tortillas. A lot of vegan channels talked about this, so I'm really excited. This is 200 calories for 2 tortillas. Almond flour, tapioca flour, water, sea salt, xanthan gum. That's not a lot of ingredients. I'm happy with that. I love the packaging. I'm really excited. I wonder how different it is from regular tortillas. Really excited for this. Tikka masala, almond flour, coconut rolls, mac and cheese, and the German pork because we got the curry ketchup with it, so we're really excited about that. Another groceries delivery, this time from Ralph's. Gonna go through them and make sure everything's here. So we have the paste picante sauce, and we have sweet potato. I like to use that to make sweet potato fries. We have our favorite oat milk. This is by Planet Oat. It's the original. We've never tried the creamy one, but I heard that's a lot more like milk. We have one of our favorite chips, kettle cooked jalapeno chips. Yum. Pepper jack, panko breadcrumbs, chicken breast, maple syrup, jalapeno peppers, sweet onion, or was it yellow onion? Whatever that is. Got asparagus and burger buns. We're gonna make really good burgers today, so I'm very excited. And that is our groceries. Hello. It's about 9:30 and I did my makeup, put away all the groceries, and now we're just chilling. I was going to eat breakfast. When I wake up, I like to eat breakfast, but this morning I'm just going to drink my BCAA and work out because we usually work out at nighttime, but yesterday we worked out during the afternoon and we kind of like working out earlier in the day. So yeah, I'm gonna drink my BCAA. The BCAA is by Alani New. It's the rocket. Oh my god, my stomach's growing. Whoa. It's Alani New's BCAA in the flavor Rocket Pop, and it's really good. It tastes just like Rocket Pop. It has more of the red and blue flavor in it instead of the white flavor, but I don't mind it. I'm gonna change to my gym clothes and work out, and I'll be right back.
It's so hot.
I don't know why I did my makeup. Everything's coming off. This is Tone Your Arms workout by Holly. It looks like she's only working on her arms. She's not really going on the floor or anything.
3, 4, 5, 6. Now what you're going to do is bring your hands together and back. That's 2.
Oh, this one's okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 4.
So here's my sweet potato. I cut it about this big. Oh, they're so cute.
Cheese and jalapeno. Kind of looks like a dip. I'm gonna make some fat burgers. Oh! So, you seal one side, and we'll flip it over. And seal the other side.
Potatoes are a little burnt, but I think they're so good. I made ketchup and mayo sauce, tomatoes, butter lettuce, toasted buns. This one we're gonna cook a little bit more. Here's the burgers.
I hope it's cooked.
I like medium rare. Oh, That looks so miscooked.
Yeah.
Cooked really well.
So it's not as cheesy. So I think we definitely need to add more cheese next time.
Yeah.
But I mean, it looks good so far. Ooh, we got the jalapenos, we got the cheese.
Oh, I went choir. I'm so old. I need to read.
And here we go.
Cheers.
I don't need your help, jailbird. If there's any unclaimed meat or cheese, I would like to claim it. Yes, exactly.
Oh, that is so good.
Yeah?
I'm dying. By the way, it's ridiculous.
That is so good. Get the markings. Just came back from getting our packages and this came in the mail. This is curry ketchup. This had really good ratings on Amazon. We're going to try with our bratwurst.
Bratwurst.
Bratwurst. Perverse.
Best.
Vist.
Best.
Currywurst.
Best.
Currywurst.
Best.
Okay.
Best.
And we're going to put this curry ketchup on top of the bratwurst sausage. Okay, it's a little late in the afternoon, but I'm about to crash. So I'm gonna drink coffee. This is by Nespresso. It's the Diavolitto Espresso. That's really good. I want to try coconut rolls. I'm gonna try this. 470 per container. Gluten-free, dairy-free, made with real coconut milk. I'm not a big fan of coconut, but I heard this is really good. So hopefully it lives up to the hype. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
It's like really soft.
That's actually pretty good.
The flavor is not strong in coconut. Just the smell is. It's good, huh? Yeah. The ingredients are really simple. It's just coconut milk, rice flour, coconut sugar, egg, sesame, and sea salt. I really like that. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy my snack and coffee, and I'll check back with you guys later if I do eat anything else. But I think I'm done for today. I'm kind of full. Bye. See you tomorrow.